Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook stir-fry firm tofu with ginger. I have 4 blocks of firm tofu, 3 stalks of spring onion cut into 1-inch length, about 3 inches nub of ginger cut into stripes, 1 red chili, half of yellow onion, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 3 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of Songxingwai, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and I'll be using a little bit of water. All the ingredients are ready, and I would like to start off with cutting the firm tofu. I'm going to cut it into small pieces. Like this block. Alright, tofu is already cut. Now we can go and cook it. Heat the pan. I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Just wait for the oil to heat up. I'm putting in the chopped garlic. Garlic is already golden brown, and I'm going to switch off the heat. Remove the garlic from the oil. Put it aside. In the same pan, switch on the heat again. Put in the yellow onions and all of the ginger. Stir fry until ginger and onion become aromatic and soft. Onion and ginger become soft, and putting in the cut tofu. Lower the heat, and I'm going to put in all the seasoning: sesame oil, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, pepper, Songxingwai, cut chili, spring onions. Increase the heat to high heat and give it a stir. I'm putting in about 1/4 cup of water. Cover the lid and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Oh, very nice fragrance. See? Now we can give it a taste. Delicious. Time's up. At this stage, if you want to add more seasoning, you can do so. But for this stir-fried tofu with ginger, is already delicious. And last, I'm putting in the garlic, and just keep a little bit for garnishing. Give it a stir for a nice fragrance. This is best served immediately, so I'm going to dish out and serve. Garnishing with crispy fried garlic. Ready. Very simple and easy dinner. This kind of dish is best served with rice. Let's eat! Wow, tofu is delicious, and the dish is very fragrant with ginger, Songxingwai, and also crispy fried garlic. And with a little heat from the ginger kick in, have it with rice. It's perfect. Simple to cook and can be enjoyed by the whole family. If you have tried the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked dishes like this. Thank you, and bye bye.